Hi friends. Today, we'll learn about things in our house. Let's go inside and see what we have. Bed. Bed. Pillow. Pillow. Blanket. Blanket. Lamp. Lamp. Closet. Closet. Mirror. Mirror. Window. Window. Curtain. Curtain. Carpet. Carpet. Wall clock. Wall clock. Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. Iron. Iron. Washing machine. Washing machine. Stool. Stool. Chandelier. Chandelier. Radiator. Radiator. Desk. Desk. Chair. Chair. Bookcase. Bookcase. Toy. Toy. Table. Table. Sofa. Sofa. Remote control. Remote control. TV. TV. Candle. Candle. Plant. Plant. Book. Book. Towel. Towel. Toothbrush. Toothbrush. Toothpaste. Toothpaste. Shower. Shower. Bathtub. Bathtub. Soap. Soap. Toilet. Toilet. Bathroom. Bathroom. Comb. Comb. Door. Door. Key. Key. Wall. Wall. Fan. Fan. Air conditioner. Air conditioner. Picture frame. Picture frame. Switch. Switch. Mop. Mop. Broom. Broom. Bucket. Bucket. Let's see how much you remember. Can you name these things we use at home every day? Look carefully and say the right word. What is this? Iron. What is this? Chair. What is this? Toothbrush. Great job. You did amazing. Now, you know lots of words about home. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun lessons. See you in the next video.